We are here for the IMF World Bank Annual Meetings, where all ministers of finance, permanent secretaries of finance, governors of central bank congregate to deliberate on issues to do with fiscal and monetary matters.
Are you hoping to have your relationship with the IMF and International Monetary Fund revived? What are you hoping to get from these meetings?
Well, we are always talking to the World Bank, to the IMF, and this is a continuation of those conversations that we've always been having.
And also we see you're at the MEFMI meeting. Tell us a little bit about how important this meeting is for you.
Well, first of all, let me say that Zimbabwe is the host to MEFMI, and obviously MEFMI is celebrating 30 years since it was formed, and we have been working with MEFMI for those past 30 years, and we are happy to continue working with them into the future. We are grateful to MEFMI for all the training activities that they do for us, and so we wish them many, many more years.
And also the big question of the ZIG, which you introduced as the new governor. How is it faring in Zimbabwe? A lot of people are saying it has been losing value, although you say that it's backed by gold. What's the current situation?
Yes, certainly ZIG is backed by gold. As the central bank, we are accumulating gold that we collect from royalties, and also we have been accumulating those reserves over the past few years. At the time when we launched ZIG, we had $285 million worth of reserves. Now those reserves have since grown to $450 million, but deposits have not significantly increased. So what that means is that we have more gold backing the currency that is in circulation. So any exchange rate depreciation that may have occurred is temporary, because what we see is a situation where if we as the central bank wanted to buy back all the ZIG in circulation, we could do that without necessarily the exchange rate having to move. In fact, the exchange rate would have to strengthen if we were to buy back all the deposits that are in the market with the reserves that we've got.
So what's your word to all your critics out there who have been criticizing the ZIG and the falling of the value?
Well, my word to them is that as the central bank will continue to walk the talk. We made our promises, and we can assure you that as people get more and more used to ZIG, the rate will strengthen and the currency will be more and more acceptable. We will continue to accumulate the reserves that we are using to back ZIG, and so it is our belief and it is our understanding that going forward we are going to see a stabilization of the ZIG.